Why is understanding operators and control statements in Java so critical to becoming a proficient programmer? Well, it's simple. Operators and control statements form the backbone of Java, enabling complex computations and logical flow within your code. Let's start with operators. Java operators fall into several categories, including arithmetic, bitwise, relational, logical, ternary, instance of, new, and cast operators. Arithmetic operators perform mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Bitwise operators operate on individual bits of integers. Relational operators compare two values and determine the relationship between them. Logical operators, often combined with relational operators, help shape the flow of your program based on certain conditions. Next, the ternary operator, a condensed form of the if-else statement, allows you to choose between two values based on a Boolean condition. The instance of operator checks whether an object belongs to a particular class or not. The new operator creates new objects, and the cast operator converts one data type to another. Now let's venture into control statements. Control statements manage the flow of execution in your program. They include if-else, do-while, for, nested for each, switch, break, continue, and return statements. The if-else statement allows your program to make decisions based on conditions. The do-while and while loops repeat a block of code as long as a certain condition is true. The for loop repeats a block of code a specific number of times, and the nested for loop places one for loop inside another. The for each loop, a special type of loop, traverses through each element of a collection or array. The switch statement allows a variable to be tested for equality against a list of values. The break statement breaks the current loop and resumes execution at the next statement, while the continue statement skips the current iteration and continues with the next one. Lastly, the return statement exits from the current method and control goes back to where it was called. In essence, understanding the function of each operator and control statement is crucial in mastering Java. They allow you to express complex logic and computations in your code, making your programs more efficient and powerful. Remember, practice is the key to mastering these concepts. So, keep coding and keep learning. Before we proceed to our concluding thoughts, we have a small request. If you found this video helpful and want to see more content like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'd love to hear your thoughts, questions, or any additional tips you might have, so be sure to leave a comment below. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. This helps us understand what content you find valuable. And if you think this video could help someone else, don't hesitate to share it with your friends and fellow coders. Your support helps us continue to produce high-quality educational content for all things programming. So thank you for engaging with us, and as always, keep coding and keep learning. Now, let's wrap this up.